Hello YouTube. 2003 F250. Had a little conversion done to it with a 2005/2007 front end look. We have a little problem with the transfer case or transmission. This truck's got only 70,000 miles on it. It's a beautiful truck. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Hopefully someone can pinpoint me down what it is. The vehicle is in neutral position right now. I have this ratchet just so I can turn the differential, and I got the squeaking noise. It's only doing this noise when I'm going this direction. If I'm going backwards, a little tight, harder to go back, but no noise. Just only when I go this direction. Someone has advice, please give me some advice. Thank you very much.